Okay, good morning, student. On Friday morning, ninth B, Science 1, third chapter. In chapter number 1 and 2, I have given all the formulas, short form in its meaning, units in MKS, CGS, that full list I have given. That is very useful for this science MCQ exam. Definition, small numericals, that also they can ask. Constant number and what I have not sent, already done. And one video I have sent in group, so observe it again and again. Try to learn that how you will give the unit test exam through school app. If you have any problem, you can ask me, you can write the message. Now chapter number 3, current electricity. For any gadget, fan, light, when we switch on, light will glow, fan will move. When we will switch off, it will not work. Means there is some flow is there when we make it switch on. When we make it off, automatically flow will stop. So first of all, try to understand flow. For any flow, one thing is compulsory: the difference of the level. The difference of the level. Water can flow from higher level to lower level. It will never flow from lower level to higher level. So first example, water always flow from higher level to lower level. Example number 1. Electric current is the fourth example. Electric current is the fourth example. Electric current also, it is a flow, one type of the flow. So first type of the flow, first example of the flow, that is water. Water always flow from higher level to lower level. So there is a difference between the level. If it is at equal distance, equal level, no flow from left to right or right to left. One very good example they have given. Two vessels are there. It is connected with the pipe, and here is the tap. Here the water is up to this level, and here is the water up to this level. Tap is off, means close. Open the tap. This water will come in this side. This water will not go this side because higher level to lower level. So it will start flowing down, up. It will be equal. When it will be equal, flow will stop. So this will come to this, up to this level, for example. level equal, now no flow. So this is the best experiment, very easy experiment. Two bowl transparent connected with a pipe with a knob. When you first put the knob off, means close the tap. In one put more water, in second put less water. It will not flow. But when it is connected by opening the tap, water will flow from higher level to lower level. It will flow fast, then slower. When the level will be equal, no flow. So for the flow, difference of the level, it is must. From equal level, no flow from this side to this side, this side to this side. And always flow from higher level to lower level. Generally in the society or in the that storage of the municipality water, we have the storage underground tank, so automatically it will be filled by the water. Then by the pumping, by the motor, we have to store that water on terrace. Then anyone residential, when they will open, flow automatically will come from higher level to lower level. But from lower level to higher level, automatically water will not go up. By force we have to push it up. So first example of flow is water. For flow we need level difference. Second point. Third point, always flow is possible from higher level to lower level. Example number 2. Take one bowl of water, one beaker, another. This is 70 degree. This is 10 degree. Put it into one. Both are water. In one beaker, in another. In one, temperature of the water is 70 degree. In second, the temperature of water is 10 degree. One is cool, one is hot. Mix it in one big beaker. It will be lesser than 70, more than 10. So 70 degree higher level, 10 degree lower level. So this will lose the temperature, this will gain the temperature. Heat energy release, heat energy gain, again flow from higher level to lower level, and it will be 70 plus 10 divided by 2, 80 divided by 2, this will be of 40 degree. The heat energy lost by one substance is exactly equal the heat energy gained by another substance. So if this both will be 40, so it will lose minus, it will lose 30 degree. It will gain for 30 degree. (70) and 10, 10 degree, 60, 20, 50, 30, 40, 40. Now no transfer of heat energy. First example, water, flow of water from higher level to lower level. Second example, flow of heat, temperature from higher temperature to lower temperature. If you will mix, it becomes 40 degree. So from 70 to 40 and from 10 to 40. So flow from higher level to lower level. And when it becomes 40, then no flow. No, because it is equal. No difference in the level, no flow. So example number 2, flow. For flow, we need difference of level. If there is no difference in level, no flow. Third example. In a ground, in a open space, on a terrace, we feel wind. Aman Khan, you change your DP. It is very irritating. What is this PUBG, what you are taking on this? And who is that Yasin writing me, bye sir? What is this? For flow, example number 3, wind. You will feel air in force. So when it is possible, because of the difference in the temperature, because of the difference in the pressure of the air always move from higher level to lower level. Where there is low pressure, somewhere it is higher pressure. So higher pressure to lower pressure, air will flow, and that flow of air we call wind. First example of flow, water, higher level to lower level. Second example of flow, temperature, from higher level temperature to lower level temperature. Third example, wind, higher pressure to lower pressure. Now come to the fourth point, current. In the socket, at home you can observe all the type of the socket, different small, big, with less connection, with more connection. That socket are of two type, with 2 hole and 3 hole, means for 2 pin and for 3 pin. 2 pin, that 2 code, that 2 terminals are of positive and negative. Positive means higher level, negative means lower level. When it is connected from higher level to lower level, it will pass. Who is doing this? In the socket you will find 2 terminal, 3 terminal. 2 terminals means positive and negative. Positive means high level, negative means lower level. From higher level to to lower level, from higher level to lower level electric current will flow in three plug pin in three terminals. One is positive, one is negative, and one is neutral, that is earthing. If more current will pass from the gadget or from the metal that directly connected to the earth, so that excess of the current will directly go to the earth, and it is a big mass, it will not get a jerk, and we will also not get a current. So forget that, that is a last point. But positive and negative. Positive means higher level, negative means lower level. Current flow always from positive to negative. In electric current, there are two directions, from positive to negative and negative to positive. So concentrate on the word for which flow they are asking. And very common thing in 9th standard, you must know that electric current cannot pass from non-metal. Electric current can pass only from the metal. Electric current can pass. See, in the first chapter, in the classification of the element, there are three types of the element: metal, non-metal, and metalloid. Metal, whose density, melting point, boiling point is high; non-metal, whose density, melting point, boiling point is low. And the element which possesses both the property. Metal also, non-metal also. Three type of the element. Among that, one group, that is metal. Through metal only, electric current can pass. Why? Why from only metal electric current can pass, not from non-metal? Big question. Why from metal only? Why not from non-metal? Because in metal, the atom of the metal consists free electron in the outermost orbit, which can move. So because of free electrons in the outermost orbit of the atom of the metal, through the metal electric current can pass, and there is no free electron. In opposite question, why electric current cannot flow from the non-metal? In non-metal, the atom of the non-metal don't have free electrons in the outermost orbit, so no flow of current is possible. So two question answered. Why metal are only good conductor? Conductor means what? Through which electric current can pass. Good conductor means what? Through which electric current can pass very easily. Bad conductor, through which electric current cannot pass. Okay, from that only, why metal are good conductor, or why from the metal electric current can pass. Why? So in metal, there are free electrons, therefore electric current can pass very easily, and in non-metal there are no free electrons, electric current cannot pass. Now it is conclude that electric current can pass only from the metallic wire. That is why this plastic coated, rubber coated, or rayon coated electric conducting wire, inside there is a metal. Generally in this household connection, we are using copper and aluminum. but the electric current can pass fastest through gold and silver. These also they can ask, which are very good conductor. Why we are not using that gold and silver? Why we are using copper and aluminum? Generally, in all the wire which are damaged or wastage, when we cut and burn it, you will find inside there is a metal, aluminum, copper. So they can ask this also, why we are using copper and aluminum for electric conducting wire, we are not using silver and gold. Three reasons to compare copper and aluminum, silver and gold. Comparison of cost. These are very expensive, these are cheaper. First reason, cost wise, these are costly. When we will use this much gold and silver in all the wiring, more costing will be there. Second example, availability. Gold and silver, how much it is available? 100 times more availability in the earth crust for copper and aluminum. First cost, second availability, then third quantity availability. Now process, easily available. These two metal are less reactive compared to this, so it is easily available. Cost comparison, quantity comparison, availability comparison. That is why we are using these two metal. So first point, we have clear that flow is must. For what? Flow is must. So example for flow, first example is water, second example is temperature, third example is wind, air, from higher pressure to lower pressure. Now fourth example, current, flow of current. So see, each and every word, it is very important. Try to understand that word, then we'll go on the main topic. Current can pass only through the metal, not through the non-metal. Why? Because there are free electrons. Okay, now this is a conducting wire, and as I told, there are free electrons. Electrons are negatively charged. This is a wire. We can't judge that this end is positive, this end is negative, or this end is negative, this end is positive. We can't judge. When it will connect to the circuit, then we can judge that which part is positive and negative. For that, very easy example I am giving, and simple question I am asking. At your home, TV is there. Okay, it contains two pin. Okay, see the direction. This in the socket, put the plug, switch on. Your TV will run, means it will show the picture and sound and all this. Now see this direction. Now remove this pin, disconnect and turn. Again connect into the two pin socket. In the socket, plug the pin make the switch on. It will work or not? Give me the answer. Okay. So this terminal having positive, negative. So where is positive, negative? Inside or outside? In the TV cable is positive, negative, or in the circuit there is a positive, negative. Means in a socket positive, negative. Correct. So there are two holes. It is positive and negative. Correct. So 2 pin, when we will put this, so this end will be positive, this end will be negative. Remove and again put the pin. So now this will be positive, this will be negative. So there is no negative positive into the conducting wire of the cable of this TV, but it is positive negative in the board itself, in the circuit itself. So flow is required. Secondly, flow is required. That flow always from higher level to lower level. In this, positive is higher level, negative is lower level. First, flow is must. Then second, level difference is must. Then third, always it flow from higher level to lower level. So with this example, I want to explain that positive is higher level, negative is lower level. A piece of wire, the end, you can't decide that which is positive, which is negative. To where we are connecting, that is positive, that is negative. And then we have discussed that through the metal, electricity can pass, electric current can pass, but not from non-metal. Why? In non-metal there are no free electrons. In the metal there are free electrons. So, what is the function of electron? That is a now very important part of electric current. Current depend on the flow. That flow always from higher level to lower level. So level difference is must. An electric current can pass through only metal because there are free electrons. Now what is the role of electron in electric current? I said a piece of metal, we can judge that which is positive, which is negative. Now there is a battery. Long line is positive, short line is negative. This is positive, this is negative. So when it is connected to this, it becomes positive. When it is connected to this, it becomes negative. Suppose I will join ulta pulta. Suppose I will join this here, so it will be negative. I will join this, so it will be positive. So it depends on the battery that which part, which end will be positive or negative. So simply big part, small part. Big always positive, this also negative. Big positive, small negative. Now this is positive, this is negative. There are free electrons. Electrons are negatively charged. All are negative. So this is negative, this is positive. So attraction always towards opposite charge. So electron will move from negative terminal to positive terminal. All electron will move in this way. when you connect positive and negative both, electrons are negatively charged. All negative charge electron will move from negative terminals to positive terminals. So they will gather at here. So automatically that level will increase. So that is why higher level. And from here it is moving. So this level will be decreased. So lower level. So they will ask two questions on the flow in a conducting wire, in a metallic wire, in a circuit wire. What is the flow of electron? What is the direction of the flow of electron? You have to write negative to positive. Electron flow from negative to positive. That is why positive it is a higher level, negative it is a lower level, because from here it is going to here. So first type of flow, because of that only electric current can pass. Flow of electron, when they will ask, you have to write negative to positive. When they will ask flow of electric current, that there you have to write positive to negative, higher level to lower level. And when it is possible, because of the flow of electron, when electron will flow, at that time this potential become, it will be maintained at higher level, and this will be maintained at lower level, and till it is maintained up and down, then only electric current will pass. If you will disconnect, no positive, no negative, no flow of electric current, no flow of electric current, no flow of current. So next. Because of flow of electron from negative to positive, electric current is passed from positive to negative. Again this topic I want to revise. Electric current can pass from metal only. Why? Free electrons are there. Not pass to the non-metal. Why? No free electrons are there. When a conducting wire connected to the battery, it becomes positive and negative. At that time, all negative electrons will pass or flow from negative terminal to positive terminal. From negative towards positive. So positive terminal is of higher level, negative terminal is of lower level. So when they will ask what is the direction of flow of electron, you will write negative to positive. When they will ask the direction of electric current, positive to negative, don't get confused. And because of current, electron are not flowing. Because of current, electron are flowing. Electric current is flowing. So the base is electron. That is why in the metal only electric current can pass. And that is why there is a coating of rubber or plastic or woolen threads, because when we touch, the electric current cannot pass from our body. I said electric current can pass through the metal. Our body is not made up of metal. Then why we are touching and we get shock? Anybody have idea? I have started the topic that metal are good conductor. In metal there are electrons. Because of flow of electron, there is a possibility of flowing of electric current. So to protect us, they coat the electric wire, conducting wire with plastic, rubber, woolen thread. Why? We are not made up of metal. So when we will touch, we will get shocked. Why? And I am telling you that through only metal electric current can pass. So why from our body electric current can pass? Have you think? Say. Anybody can reply. What? Where positive charge? We are not metal. Positive, negative only possible in metal. there are two types of the cell in our body, not movable and movable. Blood is a movable cell. In a blood there is a hemoglobin. In a hemoglobin there is a iron. That is metal. That is why flow of the flow of the blood, it contain flow of hemoglobin, it contain flow of iron. That is why when we touch, it gets shocked. So there is a metallic part that in our body, that is iron, and it is in hemoglobin into the cell, and cell, that is a movable cell, and blood cells are the movable cell. रेस्ट ऑफ ऑल सेल, किडनी का सेल हार्ट में नहीं जाएगा, हार्ट का सेल किडनी में नहीं आएगा, लेकिन द ब्लड विच इज फ्लो थ्रू आउट द बॉडी. सो मूवेबल सेल्स एंड नॉन मूवेबल सेल्स. ओके बेटा, दिस मच. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर टुमारोज एग्जाम. Go through that video and be prepared how you will give the exam online through the school app. Secondly, after that you have to give the unit test. Okay, for any problem regarding app, regarding online, regarding exam, regarding unit test, regarding practice test, you can ask me. Okay. Say what you want to ask. Say what you want to ask. Array, maths part 1, part 2, 5 marks, and SS also. No, Saturday I think as per timetable. That I'll ask and let you know. Good question. So wait. Madam, Saturday their regular lecture will be there or not? That they are asking. Saturday. Means that it will clash to the. Okay. No regular lecture, only practice test. And from 9th B only I got very less number of the notebook and workbook. I was there as per given time and as per given date, but very few students, and not few students, only girls. See, in absence of me, suppose we have given also from that. Very lightly. And in rest of the standard, in rest of the division, in rest of the standard, students are day by day increasing. In my lecture also, and here 9th B, lots of message and shout out numbers I have given, that this number please call urgently, but from that no one have contact me. Means but when in June, madam, I have asked for the new number. No, they have only given the number on this June, not I have taken the number from the register. The numbers I have collected in this June by you people only. You have given me in June 15, in between June 15 to June 20. That number are also not available. So how to catch you? See, this is a pandemic, and how we can wonder and how we can search to your address, to approach that, it is also not possible, and you people are. Suppose max to max what we can do. Suppose we can try to reach to their residence, but maximum students are in village. They are asking me, they are telling me that we are in village, how we can give me the notebook. Okay, but by call. No, but they should be in the contact. No, that number which are 0% attendance till now. That number I have shout out, and I am trying to calling them, but means the number which they have given, that is also not working. Means what? It is not our loss. It is your loss. And one. Ah, yes, and to to your friends, you have to contact. No, you have studied in the school in a same division, same class. So you have to try to contact at least that. Send the message whatever the it is going exam and live classes and school app. They are not aware. They are not aware. They are wondering. They are enjoying their life in village. So there are lots of limitation for me, madam, for school. How to approach? See, by given your number we cannot contact. What is the solution? And every teacher are trying. Hmm. Madam, see, tomorrow morning picture will be clear. No need to do this much hard work. Tomorrow morning, those students who will give the exam, that are only reachable. Rest of are not reachable. Simple. For R, it is very simple to classify that which are attending or which are not attending the live class or exam. 100%. Tomorrow 100% a picture will be clear that this much are aware of the exam, aware of the school app. Okay. मैडम वो एग्ज़ाम में भी है ना मैडम, उनको ज़रा मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि आप कांटेक्ट नंबर का एक कॉलम रखो, क्योंकि अभी नए नए कांटेक्ट नंबर तो मिले एटलीस्ट जो रीचेबल नहीं है। तो अभिजीत सर से बात करेंगे कि एक उसमें कॉलम रखो लेटेस्ट। बिकॉज नो कौन बच्चे आ रहे हैं कौन बच्चे नहीं आ रहे, जो एब्सेंट है उसके कांटेक्ट नहीं हो रहे, तो एटलीस्ट एग्ज़ाम में तो शायद करेक्ट नंबर डालें और फिर हम फोल्ड में नहीं रह गए। देखो आपने एग्जाम में ये नंबर दिया, इसमें भी आप अवेलेबल नहीं हो, तो व्हाट द टीचर एंड प्रिंसिपल कैन डू लाइक दैट। ओके। 10th भी also same, 10th भी also are reducing. They are not bothered. That is why not reachable, even that I can okay, madam, their next lecture's time is already on. Okay. Okay, thank you. You can ask to me also, no problem. Don't call him again and again. Okay, thank you, madam.